Alright, we're back at fly fishing again. But we're gonna make some coffee first. First thing is first, make some coffee. Then I got me some juice string. And this one still might be good, it's just all tangled up. I don't know who did this, probably me. This is turning orange, it's ready. I hear a lot of people talking about this one here, about the blue one, something like that. I'm gonna go with this fly here today. And it's orange. Steam's coming out already, so ready to go. Just pour it in my coffee cup. All right. Got some Black Rifle coffee. It's pretty good. It's kind of like to drink. Put my lid on it and let's try this out. Oh, so good. Let's see. So I did get some of this stuff right here. It's the world's best dry fly dressing, supposedly. We'll find out here in a minute. I still haven't got no waders, so I'm not planning to go in the water yet, but I should start soon. Well, I'm saving up some money, so get me some waders so I can get in there a little bit deeper. But for now, we'll do it here by the edge again, as usual. It's pretty good. It's not too bad here, I guess. If I could go on these rocks here. Oh man, had a bite. Jeez. That was wicked. Ha! Got a tree. I really don't want to go in the water here, so I want to find somewhere where it's more open. I'm gonna fish without a fly. I don't know. Anything is possible? Impossible, maybe. Maybe if I put my toe in there. Dude, I don't even know how to tie these flies, so be patient with me, okay? Be patient with me. I don't know how to tie flies. Everybody has different opinions. Comment below if you know how to tie a fly, or show me how to tie a fly. I'm just making 2-3 knots, maybe. The string, the fly is so thin, I don't know how to. The fly is so small, and the string is so thin. And my monster fingers, I can't even fold these things. This string. I'm like the brown Hulk. Not even. Worser. We'll see if we catch one. We catch one, we catch one, we don't, we don't. Need to sharpen my knife. Where's a good spot? We might get wet today. We might just get wet. We might just do it. Maybe. Possibility. I'll go fish right there. Over there. Mini, 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 mo. Bada, 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 bada. It's a little trail here. Let's follow the trail. Ooh. This might be good here to catch a bluegill. I don't want a bluegill. Ooh, is there any fish in the water? Maybe. Trail. Trail. Ooh, here we go. Found a nice little spot area here. Heck yeah. And how I said, we might go in the water. If it's not too cold. Whew. Water's cold. I don't want to fish here. Maybe there. Oh. Oh. Maybe I shouldn't be out here with tennies, huh? Maybe I shouldn't be out here with tennies. The water's cold. Hope I catch a fish for getting wet. I have to go home and change. Maybe I should have went that way. I should have went that way. But gotta learn sometime, huh? Gotta learn. Gotta learn, buddy. Do you wipe this down on him or just like that? Oh, great. Oh man, that's dumb. Who puts a branch right in the middle of the water? I have to get wet again. And I lost my fly. Boo-hoo. Now I gotta get wet. Be very careful. Be very careful where you walk at.